My name is Rick Hengel. I work at BCS Machine Building Division, and I'm the shop supervisor there. Right now we have 15 students that have graduated from the program in our shop, and all of them students are building high-end precision automated and test equipment. And the skill and the quality of students that have come out of this program have been very good.
The Computer Engineering Technology program at our college is a 60-credit Associate of Applied Science degree intended for students who are looking for a background in electronics, digital, AC, DC, but then to build upon that with programmable skills that allow them to pursue a career in the electronics industry, in the automation industry, and in the instrumentation industry. The 60-credit AAS degree blends all the underpinnings of mechanical engineering technology education around the application of bicycle design and fabrication. Students will learn CNC machining, metal fabrication, SolidWorks, CAD, CAM skills, and spend their 2 years in our college doing hands-on technical work, which will lead to the capstone project of designing and developing their own bicycle or bicycle component or accessory.
5 years ago, we took our CAD design program from a standard program, classroom program, and we went 100% online. In that time, we've seen a great increase in number of students, but what it also does is it provides the student with the ability to work on it when he or she wants to. Our program is in a cluster of manufacturing, engineering, and trade programs, and these programs are very high demand.
Southeast has benefited Mid-City here by filling a job force. And it's no secret that throughout the whole country we're experiencing a shortage of employees in certain industries, and we are super lucky to have Southeast here right in our neighborhood, filling our jobs as well as the community.
Out there at my job site, we typically do MIG welding. So here at the program has helped me quite a bit, and only having to spend 1 year, 100% placement, less money, and being able to go out into the workplace right away.
I wouldn't be working here if it wasn't for Southeast.